What? I paid that much for this? And this is not a sponsored video. I paid for all of this stuff on my own with my own money.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things.
Hey gems, and welcome back to Mae Chronicles. In today's video, we are doing a TikTok shop unboxing. Y'all, we're bringing it back to the roots where this channel first started. Was big, huge unboxings. I think I have like maybe 20 items. Check the link in the description, and at the end I will tell you guys how much I spent. I purchased a total of 20 items, I believe 20 in this order. And when I say they know how to pack some stuff up, let me show y'all. Oh, I definitely just dropped some. So let's unbox all of this stuff. They definitely know how to put it together to make it all fit in a small bag. Cause baby, teach me how to pack for vacation, cause I don't have it down packed at all. Honestly, I was very skeptical of TikTok shop at first. I don't know, it was just something different. But now thinking about it, it's kind of like Amazon. It took 8 days for half of my order and then 11 for the other half. But it was kind of like I was buying this stuff. Did I really need it or did I want it? You know, now if I really needed something, Amazon it is. But anyways, let's look into this stuff and I'll give y'all my review as I unbox it. I have 3 categories of things that I purchased. We're going to start off with the content creation things, some items that you can use to help with your content creation. Then we're going to go to our self-care, beauty type category. And then last but not least, that workout category. So let's get into it. All right, starting off with the content creation things. So we're going to start off with this. As a content creator, you need one of these. No ifs, ands, buts, or anything about it. It's a SD case holder. And I have so many SD cards that is getting ridiculous. So this holds 21 SD cards. The price does fluctuate. I paid $2.26 for this item. Get you one of these if you're a content creator, because you want to make sure that you're keeping up with all of your content and things like that. So we have this cable organizer. I only purchased one. Honestly, that was not a smart decision, because this is good. So I have a lot of cords and I'm probably going to need maybe at least 5 more of these. I'm trying to work on getting more organized, and this will be great for that. You can put your computer charger in here, your phone charger, your equipment charger, anything like that to just stay organized with your cables. I'm definitely going to need more, and if I didn't mention already, I paid $1.19 for this. The next item we have that I was going to start working out a little bit more. So I got this. This is magnetic, so you can lay it on almost everything in the gym. I think is magnetic or some type of magnetic hold. Put it flat like that, and then pop your phone on here, and that's how it goes. And then you just pop it on something that's magnetic. I think that's cute. It's like a little tripod, but you don't have to like take your tripod. How cool is that? And the price of that, what? I paid that much for this? I paid $12.46 for this. And that's not a lot. Like when I'm looking on Amazon, I'm like, oh, that's not a lot. But for TikTok shop, I think that's a lot. Did I really pay that much? What? And I believe I got free shipping on everything because it all shipped together. The next thing that we have, sticky back to it. And then you can use this to pop it on like a mirror or anything that's not magnetic. So you use the suction cups. I don't know why I'm acting like this can really suction to my hand, but put the sticky part on your phone and stick it to wherever you need to stick it to. And the price of this, 82 cents. We have more cable organizers. We have the colors black, gray, white, pink, and a green. Fold your cords up and then you use this to keep them together. Kind of like how when you purchase something that comes with a cord or a cable, it gives you like a little black bendy tie, but those don't last and it's not really functional. So using this one to keep your cords together is like perfect. When I say I have so many cords, especially now, like as I purchase things that are for content creation, I have way too many cords and I need to keep up with them. So what I'm going to do is, depending on what the item is, I will basically use these as color coordination so I can know what goes with what. It was $3.19 total, and that one did not have a discount for it. And this one actually came with a box so you can see exactly what it is. It is a phone holder. It says you can use your iPad as well, but I'm going to only use it for my phone because I bought one for my iPad. Okay, one thing I can say about this, and I don't think, honestly speaking, I don't think I would have purchased it if I would have known that it's fully plastic. So they tricked me by having this on it to make it seem like it was metal. That's what I definitely thought it was metal. But obviously I'm not reading any description, so not their problem, mine. I paid $3.28 after tax for this, but it's still very functional. You can see it's holding my phone. And I like that it bends like this. You can bend it in all types of the ways. So however you want your phone to be. I know some people, like I was reading the comments on it and it said like people were using it to just watch TikTok videos or watching videos. I'm not that heavily in the trenches to be doing that. Depending on what type of angles you need for your videos, you can definitely use this as like a mini tripod or set up if you're live streaming or something like that. And this is a iPad holder. So you put it on your desk. This is so freaking, oh, and it turns 360. Yeah. Okay. So my iPad is over there. I should just show y'all. Hold on. All right. So I do have a case on my iPad, but I'm still going to show y'all. Looks, and it definitely holds. Okay. That's cute. Nice. Oh my God. And I already have some cute ideas that I'm going to use with this for like my little mini vlogs. Although I personally prefer long form content over short form. For this one, I paid $4.85 after the discount. I can't remember what discount exactly that I got, but any discount is good with me. And then last but not least, for the content creating items, I did get this for my mom. And she does a lot of cooking videos. If you know, you know. If you've ever been to one of our parties, you know my mama can cook. She throws down. But anyways, I wanted to like give her something that was beneficial to her. And this is great for creating content when you need your phone to kind of be in this position to record so that you can keep the same angles and things like that. So it's very portable. Carry it like this. You pull it out. And then you open this part. Put your phone on there. And then you can also, see, I thought the one that I bought, you can extend it more, but I don't think so. You can use the end of your counter to clip it up like that. And then you put your phone in here. You can have your videos directly like this. The price of that was $7.12 after the discount. Now we're getting into the self-care stuff. Firstly, we're going to start with this. If you know, you know. If you've been on TikTok, even scrolling for 2 videos, you've seen this. I originally purchased the 1.7 ounce for a total of $10.39 after the discount. If you know me, you know I shop on discount. I do not play games. I don't pay for anything full price. No, no, no. Now I decided to purchase the big bottle as well as the roll-on. This is a 3.4 ounce bottle. Ooh, it smells so good just by opening the plastic. I kid y'all not. I kid y'all not. It smells so yummy. Too cute. Y'all. When I say, I mean, duh, I like it. If I decided to purchase a big bottle, I really do like it. So I'll have one for home and then one for traveling. And then I also got the roll-on. If y'all have tips on how to layer fragrances, please put those in the comments below because I honestly don't know. So that was actually a combo and the price for that is $23.18. I said that I was going to start working on my skincare routine because honestly, I've never had one a day in my life. But now that I want to start wearing more makeup, I know that I have to take better care of my skin. So it's a journey and I'm ready for it because if I want to do my makeup, I gotta, you know, I got to do the right thing with my skin as well. So I got this 10-piece exfoliating bath glove, and the price I paid for this was $5.08, and that was without a discount. Then I got this neck massage, because y'all, this double chin is not cutting it. I paid $6.03 for this after my discount. I know some of these be like upwards to $100, so I'm hoping that it works, but we'll see. It's not charged, it's fresh out the box, so we'll look into that a little bit later. So I got turmeric oil as well as the turmeric bar with the mesh net. And this is just basically to help with discoloration of your skin. I feel like I have a little bit of it, but it's really good. I originally started using this when I was like 8 months pregnant. My mom got me a turmeric bar because when I say my face, dark spots right here, under the eyes, right here, everywhere, it was just not cutting it. The turmeric very much helped with all of those dark marks that I had due to the pregnancy. And yeah, I can't wait to use this. I paid $5.83 for that. And then for this one, I paid $4.62, which made the total $11.17. But this is the turmeric cleansing pads. So this is what I'm going to use like for the face. We're almost done with the beauty and self-care portion of this video. I bought these silicone cleansing brushes. You just $2.50 for both of these, which I think was a great price. Y'all will be seeing most of these items in my updated skincare routine, which is really not an updated skincare routine because I never had one to begin with. So maybe my first ever skincare routine. Then I got this hair identifying spray. It's me trying to move so y'all can see it. Okay, so you just clean your face, you shake it, you spray it on the places that you need the hair removal, and then you use this. I want my face to be very smooth because I feel like when you use makeup, if you have hair on your face, it's very noticeable with the makeup. And we don't want that. We don't want that. And the price of that was $4.56. Depending on the seller that you purchase this stuff from, it can cost more. So just be mindful of that. I got these cotton tissues to use for my face after when I'm wiping my makeup off. It says that you can use it for a lot of different things. While pregnant, acne on skin, menstrual period, sensitive skin, and removal for makeup. And I'm going to use it for the makeup removal. It has all these Chinese words on it. Don't ask me what it says because I don't know. It says 100 pieces for $5.30. And all of these amounts that I'm giving y'all is after tax. If you know me, you know my favorite color is blue. Yes, blue. It is. It's been that way for the majority of my life. I got a 4-piece comb set, and the price of this after tax was $2.35. And then this one was $2.08. This one was a little bit different, so I'm going to show y'all how it looks. And like I said, I'm probably going to put the pictures somewhere right here so y'all can get a better idea of the things that I got. I've been seeing this makeup kit on beauty influencers pages, so I was like, let me try it. I'm still fairly new on doing my makeup, so it doesn't hurt to buy something like this. Price was $6.05 after tax. So this is how it looks. So you can use it for your concealer, contour, blush, things like that. And it looks pretty good. No weird smell or anything. That's how it looks. All right, so that is the end of the self-care, beauty, goodies, and things like that. Now we're going to do the last part, which will be pretty short. I think I have only like 3 or 4 items, and that is the workout gym stuff. You can use these as either ankle weights or wrist weights. They don't play no games about packaging their stuff up. So this is how it looks. I don't know how many pounds this is. It doesn't feel like too heavy, but it's definitely... it has some weight to it. I did get black because I'm like, I wear a lot of colors. I don't want to overpower it with the other colors that they have, which is purple, pink, and blue. And the price I paid was $9.04. I think my workout stuff was actually the most expensive things, if I remember correctly. And then I got these gloves because, baby, when I be working out, I don't want to get callus on my hands. The price I paid for these lifting and weight training gloves is $4.28. And then last but not least, we have this, like, I call it a hula hoop. Oh, it is called a hula hoop. It says a hula hoop that won't fall. Wow. And knowing me, I got blue. It comes like this. My waist ain't this small. So I'm going to add some of these attachments to it. Then it has this ball. This ball actually got some weight to it. And then you go like this. And the price that I paid for this one was $6.42. That is the end of this video. But before I let y'all go, I'm going to tell y'all how much I spent in total. So TikTok, I'm beefing with y'all because why does it show up like this on my... Can y'all see that? Why does it show up like that? I don't like that at all. So I gotta go add this stuff up and I'll be back and let y'all know how much I spent. All right, so I'm done adding everything up. That took about 5 minutes because even in my bank account statements, it shows as different amounts because it's different sellers. And I guess that's how TikTok Shop does it. But I spent this much on about 20 items. $95.97. Wow. That doesn't include that bundle that I purchased for the fragrances because I bought that a little bit later and I didn't add that in. But as far as like all of the other items, this is how much I spent. That's crazy. All of that for less than $100. Wow. They banned TikTok, baby. I might save some money though. So we'll see. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not a gem yet, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so that you can become a gem. And I will see you guys in the next one.
Shout out my mucus. Hey, cause you know that be my slime. I swear that girl she a 10. Yeah, keep her around. I swear that girl she a gem.